Nefuset Hu Yahuwah Hu Hayu Hu Si Hu He Hu Nabku. Greetings. How are y'all? Welcome to Chemical Universe. Light, matter, motion, and sound. Chemical Universe is a class that I started, sharing, teaching, dealing with approximately 2 years ago in Philadelphia as a part of a group of classes that I was doing under the banner of an organization called CIRCLE, which is the Cooperative Internal Research Center for Efficient Living. Chemical Universe was the best words I could use to describe the insights and scientific observations that was coming from all the different cultural, spiritual, physical, metaphysical influences that was coming to me from many great teachers, Dr. Jewel Pookrum, Dr. Delbert Blair, Dr. Malachi York, and a whole bunch of them, Drunvalo Melchizedek, the people who wrote that book of that Book of Enoch book. A lot of people were bringing fuel through sacred geometry, through breaking down the Bible, breaking down all different types of religious doctrines, and being universal like we are. We gather truth from many, many sources through meditation, through experimentation. Through a lot of personal revelation, a lot of this information started to come in a flow. And a lot of the stuff that was connecting this information started to bridge the gaps. And so what I started to realize is that, by also studying a lot of stuff dealing with crystals, is that everything that is valuable in the realm of the unseen is connected to all those things that are valuable in the realm of the seen. In the Bible, there's a saying that says, everything that was spoken came into manifestation. The word became flesh. Well, through the Chemical Universe, what we do is we break down the reality of everything in the universe is already connected. Or as we say, all is in the all. All things are related to one another. And therefore, there is a chemistry between all things. This is a chemical universe. Many people don't know that the word chemical, the word chemistry, comes from the name Kemet. The ancient name for the land that people presently refer to as Egypt. The Kemites are us, the Nubian race of beings that in particular inhabited that actually lower Nile. That's called, people think it's the upper Nile, but it's really the lower. But that Nile region where the Great Pyramids of Giza are, so forth and so on. We're all familiar with the Egyptian dynasties. So that's why I call it Chemical Universe. Because what I've come to find is that in evaluating the language we speak in present day, the English language, a lot of the English words we use now are actually Egyptian words. They're actually Kemetic words. And they're connected to the presence of the gods. They're connected to the presence of the Neteru. Every day, in this country, people are using the names of the Neteru in everyday language, not even bearing witness to the fact that though they might be